So we're still here in the judges' booth, but we just finished the 2010 Burton New Zealand Open, finished the halfpipe finals, and the SLR system, the Snowboard Live Scoring system's finally been put in place. I think proven beyond all doubt that it really works. Brings incredible progression to judging and gives credibility to the riders and the way they ride today. So I'm absolutely ecstatic. The judges are totally impressed and confident about the future sport and judging, and I'm really looking forward to get the feedback from the riders. I suppose the crunch mark came down between Louie Vito and Iouri Padladchikov with 3 double corks. When you put that down on paper, you probably think, yeah, that's got to be the winning one. But when you break it down, and that's the opportunity with the SLS system, we can really break down the runs per single trick, which we did. He had incredible tricks, but the amplitude was missing for sure. He had something go wrong on his 3rd and 4th hit. That definitely took a huge punch on him in flow. And when you put all those elements together, he deservedly gets where he was. I hope he knocks that run down clean one day, because it's sick.
Very happy about the new judging system, actually, because you get to use all judges to their full potential. You know, they're focused on their one hit you need to judge, and then it's all added, and somehow it is more accurate, I think, and more precise. I can see this to go forward with this, and yeah, it's just for the best of the contest.
Snowboarding for quality, not necessarily quantity. Snowboarding is a fluid sport, and we always adapt, and I think that even this system will adapt as snowboarding moves on in the future.